value minus 0.5f. So this is probably going to be way too much. This is probably going to be way too big. It's probably going to like fly in from like all over the place at this point. But I don't know. It might be okay. We'll see. Oh yeah, I didn't. Now is it still like? All right, so there is some variance to it at least. But yeah, there's actually too much variance because like they're like showing up weird places. So yeah, I did want to increase the speed, or decrease the cooldown, as it were. Caroline. So the star cooldown, 0.2 seemed okay. Actually, no, it seemed okay in regular speed, but in sped up, it did not seem okay. Alright, so save that, and then, yeah, so let's do random dot value. I'm actually going to do it for all three terms. There's going to be variance in all three whatever's, and it's always going to be, I'm going to divide it by 2, I guess. And then I'll stop making these stupid stars. I'll go on and make stupid other things instead. I'll probably work on, oh yeah, no, I'm going to do the math, and then I'm going to go on and do other things instead. Maybe I'll upload a build or something. Just like get people's feedback. Or something. I don't know, we'll see. What are you complaining about now? It's always something. It's always something. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. Do you have to go Asado? Because I was just about to work on it. Like, like the stars are like basically working now. I mean, I didn't want them to all be like red. I want them to be like different colors and stuff, but other than that, they're like mostly working. It's like when you're at your computer, stars go into the thing. Huh. That's still too much range. I'm gonna do divided by 3. Doop-a-doop. Doop-a-doo. Alright, cool. Yeah, alright, let's do the, let's look at it, because I honestly have no clue how this is gonna work, and, I without you, I stand like 0 chance of figuring it out, so. Alright, I'll just, yeah, the last thing that I haven't done with the stars is to like actually make it do anything. Like you can now, actually wait, sorry, I'm gonna literally just add that math, and it's gonna be very simple. It's literally just going to be that oh wait, I can't put this star time thing here because actually no, this is fine, whatever. I'm just gonna say so the last thing is like is that games index I get component deprecation deprecation minus equals star time, or wait, no, minus equals star cooldown. Star cooldown, oh, minus equals? Oh, no, okay, wait. Okay, so minus equals, so wait, so one more thing, time speed, greater than 0, question mark? Because if it's greater than 0, then it minus equals star cooldown, times 2, else it's negative star cooldown, or I'll just say star cooldown times -2. Star cooldown times -2. So now like you can actually affect the growth of things, and I'm not even going to bother testing it because, well, alright, fine, I'll test it. Now if you shoot things with if you like set up your computer next to stuff, it'll actually, so it'll zap it with like magical star power beams, and the things will grow faster. It'll grow up and big and faster, and it's wonderful. stuff. So, all right, that's all. Oh, but then if you kick it into reverse, oh, that's not what was supposed to happen. Although that's kind of cute. No, what was supposed to happen was it was supposed to go the other way around. um, why was that? All right, I won't worry about that. That's the point where I'll stop worrying. All right, so let's look at Asada stuff. Uh, okay. Doop doop. Oh, I should start downloading this sooner. 129 megabytes? What did you put in here? Oh, did you say there's a video in here too? Exciting. Alright. So, alright, while that's downloading, I'm gonna just quickly, switch around the stars so that they go in the correct direction. So yeah, so it works fine if, time speed is greater than 0, but in this other one, it's like computer transform position. What? What the heck? I literally just like flip it around. I literally just replace target with computer. Right, I mean I add in this like this height thing. Apparently I should be doing it the other way around or something for no particular reason. I don't know. I'll try flipping it around, even though this seems completely wrong, but whatever. Whatever. Alright, so, yay, we downloaded stuff. Show in folder. Doop doop. What the heck is this? Oh, there's a readme. Open. I have no clue what I'm looking at right now. I have no clue. Wait. If it... Oops. If it's called a readme, it should be openable in, like, what, like, Notepad or something? I don't know. Let's see what that does. I don't know what that means. So we crashed Notepad. That was the first thing that we did. Oh, this is like a project or something? Interesting. Alright, well that could help. Oh, FLV? Oh, interesting. Yeah. I tried to open it in Notepad and it didn't like that. It's not enthusiastic about trying to get opened in Notepad. Don't bother looking for a solution. Alright, so this is like a Unity project. Am I reading that correctly? Seems like it. I'm gonna assume that that's probably the case or something. Alright, so let's put this I don't even know where. I'll put it on my D drive for now. Because, like, usually the stuff that goes in my projects folder is, like, my personal projects, so I'll put it, data, I know it's weird, I've never got one of those before, so, let's do what? Media, I guess? I'm just gonna put it here for now, I don't care. Is the DS store file important? Like for, what the, stupid, I did not do that. I shift clicked both of them in order to drag them. Okay. Oh, it's gonna take a second to transfer. So I'm just gonna see if reversing the polarity of that thing actually, like that really shouldn't, like if anything I should have, like making that change should have broken things. So I'd more expect this to be broken now than fixed, but let's see. Yeah, well, it's definitely not better. But like, and now, wait, what the heck? Why am I moving in the opposite direction now? How did I break movement? That doesn't make any sense. I wasn't even working in the script that controls movement. That's just ridiculous and dumb. And I do not accept. I do not accept that proposition. There's been a few of those things today. So wait, did I break movement somehow else? Yeah. I guess I managed to break movement somehow else. But yeah, no, I don't care about that right now. What do I care about? Oh yeah, the thing that we were working on. Alright, so let's save this project, I guess. And like open project, open other, D drive, where do I put it? Media? Signal Jam. What? How comes there's no project file? Is it, well, yeah, no, you're supposed to walk backwards when time is going backwards, but you're not supposed to, you're still supposed to have control over your character. Uh, like, reasonable control over your character. Uh, Spotify cache? Oh, no, that was me. I was like, wait. uh, Unity doesn't, like, want to open these things or whatever. Navigate to the folder and click. Oh, okay. That sounds doable. Hey, look at that. Usually, I feel like usually there's a. Yeah, maybe I'm making that up. Because I don't know. I guess they just don't have a project file. They could at least just put in like a blank file that has like no data in it and it's just like project.click here or whatever. Alright, so what do we have here? Oh wow, it kept your layout settings. That's funny. Um, oh, I probably don't have the scene open, right? Oh wait, so where's the scene? Economy? I like it already. Uh, why did it turn everything orange? Oh, there we go. Whoa, what the heck is happening here? Oh, there we go. Oh, the ground is made of ice. Whoa. I have no clue what's happening here. Kind of into it. My mouse is just like, hey, look, I'm a cursor. 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 um, oh, you know what's funny is if I slide my cursor too far to one direction, I can only turn right. I can't turn left because if I turn left, um, my mouse goes onto my other computer, and I it stops the keyboard stops working. um, all right, so let's buy things. Coffee. Do I not have any money? Um, because I don't know, I'm pressing buttons and I don't know if it's doing anything. Like I'm pressing number buttons too. Oh, okay. The video would make more sense. All right. Well, let's see if I have a thing that can actually watch the video. I might have like FLV or something. All right. So media. Uh, Press and hold B? Huh. Probably don't have VLC on this computer. No. I could get it though. VLC is legit. Monent. Monent. Stupid typos in side quest. Uh, sorry, I just have to fix that real quick. It's urgent. Monant. Who ever heard of a monant? What even is a monant? Craziness is what a monant is. Sorry, one second. Events. Binry. Ogre Cave. Monant. Pfft. Monant. Pfft. Excuse me. Alright, fix that. VLC. Yeah. Sure. Let's download everyone's favorite traffic cone media player. Doop-a-doop. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Doop-a-doop. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Yeah, I'm a little surprised that... Oh, you know why I don't have VLC? Is that, like, who downloads videos anymore? Like, everyone just watches them on the internet. Like, who has media players anymore? Because, like, you get media from the internet. Like, why on earth would I ever have VLC? Or, like, why on earth would I ever have cause to play a video? So, like, if I did have cause to play a video, like now, for example, I would get VLC. But, like, who does that? Okay. Like video, like on local storage? Like, what are you gonna watch a video multiple times? What are you gonna watch a video and then keep it on your hard drive? What is this? What is this? The 90s? Sorry. I don't know. Whatever. That's fine. Uh, oh yeah. What is this? What is this? The early 2000s when you didn't have broadband internet everywhere. Sorry. I know I'm a troll, and I know actually, yeah, like in not all places of the world is there like internet like that, but like I don't know where I am, and like it's even better in like some places of the world, like some places like the internet is just like super magic, 100% great like all the time, and it's not like that exactly like where I am, but it's good. It's good enough that like I think in the past year I've spent like a day without internet, and that was just when the power went out. Uh, it wasn't even because of the internet; it was just because all power went out. Uh, Run VLC, yeah, please. Actually, that's not necessary. You can go away. Uh, uh, play, because I can do that now. Oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna switch over to face cam real quick, and actually, I mean, I guess it's your videos, right? So I guess that you probably wouldn't mind me playing it, hypothetically. I just like, I tend to, so there's Tweaks Coffee. It's cheap. You can get ham and cheese pies there on the cheap, yo. Tweaks Coffee is the place to go. Uh, okay, cool. So wait, Asada says it's fine to show the video, so. Uh,
My balance is $92.89.
oh, press and hold. Okay, that's what you. Oh, that's okay, yeah. Because the stream delay, like you told me to press and hold B, but I by the time it came back, I was like, why is he telling me to press and hold B?
Sushi, so I'm gonna buy that, and there I have $38 left.
All right.
While holding B, I can press 0, and you can see that the number goes down in real time. And so this is how you set it up.
Huh.
I have two prefabs here.
So I'm like thinking about like
a cheap vendor and a rip-off vendor.
how to
So this is my cheap
how to
vendor.
accomplish this.
It says Tweaks Coffee by
I mean,
Default.
like, we could basically just make it so that you press spacebar to like get between the two game
So at
modes.
the moment it's
Because the thing about that is that
size
like,
3.
I mean, the control scheme isn't going to work on mobile, obviously,
I'm gonna set it
but
to
on
2
mobile you also don't have a spacebar, right?
and show you how we add another one. So I set it to 3.
So,
And then from the prefabs folder, I just drag.
oh sorry, I should be paying
the item.
attention.
Okay, the item. This is what the item needs to have. You just add an item script.
Huh.
You create a name for the item. This is what will be displayed in the stocks. Okay.
All right.
You have a minimum price and a maximum price. What I did was
Oh,
so
shoot.
that each vendor has his own minimum and maximum. Each vendor has his own
sorry, I'm just like-
markup value. So, for example, if his markup is
Sorry.
0.5,
I don't mean to talk over you. I'm just like going back to
10
look
minus 1 multiplied by 0.5,
to look up the link
right? Which
because
is
I am
4.5,
talking
and
over
then
you a
you
lot.
add that onto the price. So,
Do you have the
5.5.
Asad, if you're still here, do you have the link to this in case someone else wants to download it and like because like if someone wants to make items for the shop,
implementing that into the actual MMO,
it'd be helpful for them to have the video.
They're just empty.
Uh,
There you can delete them from the item script. It's here. It's basically just a bunch of variables. Okay.
But
Um,
I guess if anyone needs it, I can relay the information as well.
you can see the balance, and it doesn't get in the way because you didn't want the UI to get in the way. See, I can click anything, right? Only when I approach Tweaks Coffee, I see the stock that he has, and only when
Alright.
I approach Starbucks, I see his stock.
So I guess this is this gonna be like another? I've actually never made a Unity project with like multiple scenes before. Is this gonna be a different scene or like
balance does not get in the way unless I hold the B button.
my
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like it'd just be easier to just like take the whole thing like wholesale and just kind of like slam it in there. But if it's a different scene like that, no, maybe I should try and merge it because if it's a different scene, like is the data gonna get unloaded? Like is the scene state gonna get lost? Like if we switch between them, or like can you have multiple scenes loaded at the same time? I don't know. These are like the things that I've never really had to look at before. So I
set the markup to 20.
have no clue.
That would go beyond the maximum price.
Oh, you did tweet it to me, didn't you? Delightful.
But yeah, it's basically the range
So I'll
multiplied by the markup.
I'll
added
repost
onto
that
the
link,
minimum price.
and so if anyone else
If we
anyone's
set
interested in
0.5, it would
yeah, it was stuck to my
there.
my clipboard too, because when I kept trying to copy and paste things between computers, it wasn't working.
Yeah, that's the economy system.
This is very enterprising of you, Asada, to have put together not only the entire thing, but to have put together an explanatory video as well.
Oh,
I'm
also,
duly impressed.
I think I should have this already, but
I honestly, I don't
you can see
like.
that when
It
you buy
doesn't
something,
necessarily make sense to me, like what I'm about to do.
it gets
But
added onto a list
you
of
put in all this effort, so I am certainly going to be adding this to the project.
inventory or, use those items in any way. It's there.
And I guess it makes sense, like, you know, why it took you more than like a minute or two to come up with this stuff. Because, like, when you said you were gonna, like, I was picturing, like, you know, maybe you'd like slam together a script or something, and like it'd be like, you know, super quick, like one and done sort of thing. But no, this is like deluxe. So,
So
uh,
that's basically it.
yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to match this stuff together. But that sounds fun. Let's do that. For starters, yikes. I kind of want to just like, I kind of literally just want to like copy. I don't know if this is gonna work, but like, can I literally just like take all the assets and like just slam them into the other? I wonder if that would. I'm gonna try it. I wonder if I'm gonna accidentally ruin everything. I'll back up our data just in case. Just in case I'm about to ruin everything. Here I'll just like back up this here. Oh, whoops! This is the wrong folder. I did not mean to put it here. No, I'll back it up here, and then yeah, and then just trying to like merge the assets, I guess. I don't know. See what that does. And then all right, let's see what that. Oh wait, yeah, we have the other project open right now. So let's go back to just the scripts and the prefabs folder. All right, well. um, Doop doop. All right. Oh, I unplugged my thing and now my music went away and now I'm sad. Hold on. All right, everything's better. We fixed it. Everything's great. Uh, so let's um, do you ever play Soda Drinker Pro? I was just reminded of this because basically what my plan is, I guess, or like what I'm thinking for this is like it reminds me of kind of something that I saw in Soda Drinker Pro, which was oh whoa, it loaded directly into this scene. That's cool. Sure, why not? Uh, so the the thing about this that reminded me of Soda Drinker Pro is that there's just an arbitrary other game like in the middle of the game. Like in one of the levels, you go into a room and then there's just a different game there. Like you go through a door and then you're playing a different game. You're not playing Soda Drinker Pro anymore. Um, which it kind of reminds me a little bit of that. Um, but I guess like I don't know, we can find ways to like work this together too, because like I don't know, I think it's probably going to be like for Caroline, like it's going to be that like basic. Oh, so holding B. Wait, hold on. Wait, did you say hold B? Press and hold B? Because I'm doing that and it's not working, but I'll figure it out. Yeah, so I guess it'll basically like be Caroline's. Like this will be Caroline's snack time for Caroline. Uh, it's really expensive sushi, but apparently, yeah. I, I'm impressed that they sell pizza. Starbucks pizza. I probably wouldn't like it very much, but good on them. Anyone who feels like adding pizza to the world, like I support their goals. All right, yeah. So, uh, so Unity. I can close some of these scripts, whatever reference, blah blah. So like, so Unity script C sharp audio. No, just yeah. So how about like multiple scenes? Like, what is that even? Creating? No, not scripts. Develop. What? Or what? There's really no reference on like multiple scenes. Like, that's just not important information in their opinion. Because in my opinion, that's a stupid opinion. But um, so like changing scenes, I guess. Change of scenes. Uh, you want a script that changes the scene of your game. If so, then it's pretty easy. First, make sure that both scenes are in your build. Go to File, Build Settings, and then drag and drop your scenes into the top box. Then open your script. Use the following statement: application load level name of your scene. Does that unload the previous level, or like, I don't know. Oh, hey, cool. You said the same thing. Um, uh, and can you test that in play mode? Like, huh? All right, I'll give it a shot. So this is called economy scene. So file. Let's go back to our other scene. Open scene. Main. So yeah. So what if the control script just had like no, go away. What if the control scene just had like so on like update maybe there was just like uh input. So if it's like if input dot get key. I don't even know. Yeah, get key down. Uh, what's the key code? I don't know what key code keys key Unity key code. Oh, so key code dot space is how it goes. Key code dot space. I think that's what I saw. So key code dot space. Yeah, there we go. So if this if input key down key code space blah 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 whatever, then what was the thing? It was like load application dot load level name of scene, like the full name, or like name of scene. What is the scene's name? It's like, what is it? It's like scenes / economy scene. It's like, would that be like scenes / economy scene dot unity, or like not dot unity? I don't know. Let's see what that does. What? Wow. This is really upset about something. Input button balance is not set up. Oh, that was from earlier. That was from earlier when I was holding down the B key, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I forgot to put the semicolon, as I tend to do. Okay. There we go. Level scenes, my economy scene could not be loaded because it has not been added to... Oh, it's the build settings. Yeah, right. It did say that we had to do that. Build settings, scenes in build. Wait. Oh, that's funny. I never do add current. I never actually populate the build thing, and then the builds still work, which is weird. Alright, let's, so project, scenes, yeah. Alright, let's see if that works now. Doop. Huh, that's funny. I hit space and it didn't do anything. Oh, that's also funny. I guess not super funny. It's not super funny, but like, it's a little bit funny that like you can, like even when your computer's like, even when like I don't know, even when you're standing between, no, I guess it's fine, whatever. Alright, yeah, oh, is it giving me errors? Scene couldn't be loaded because it... Yes, it has. Shut up your face. Scenes, economy scene is totally added to the build settings, you jerk. Look, I'll look at it right now. Oh, maybe I do need to do the .unity. Save that. And scene / economy scene .unity, right? Economy scene .unity, yeah. Alright. Shut your... Not added to the build settings. I'll add you to the build settings, you jerk. You terrible, terrible jerk. Are you mad that the current scene is not in it? It's just lying. It's just lying. Oh, did I spell it wrong? Oh, it doesn't like that I included the file path. Oh, Unity. Cripes. I would argue that, in fact, the name of the scene is scene/economy scene, because that's literally how it displayed when I added it to the thing. If that wasn't the name, then it shouldn't have shown up as the name here, in my opinion. My opinion being way better than their opinion being garbage, and stuff I don't... Hey, look at that! Alright, so yeah, so the input button balance is not set up, and it doesn't seem to like that. And then the other thing to check would be, so yes, let's open scene, that scene. Yeah, why does it keep saying that, why does it keep saying that the B button's not set up? Did you answer that? Or do you know what that's about? Uh, uh, yeah, because I don't think I unset anything, and yet it just kept saying that, like, the, what is it? The input button balance is not set up. Oh, I guess I could check what line of whatever. Get button balance? Uh, balance? Huh. Oh, wait, that's like a... Okay, edit project settings input. Oh, right, because we didn't import the project settings. All right, yeah. So edit, wait, what was it? Edit project settings. Yeah, input. I've never done like input editing either. Like all my projects just use all my project all my projects just the they just use click. All you ever do is left mouse click. What? So new. Wait, new. No wait. How do I? Oops. No, I don't care about you. Go away. How do I add a new one? Add. Oh, increase. Oh, increase the size. Oh, delightful. So 19, and then change cancel to. I change it to, what was it? Balance. Was it balance with a capital B or yeah? Oops. Go. Stop. Balance. Positive button. Space. Wait, what? Space. I don't know. Doop doop. Alt positive button. Joystick button 1. Oh, except, oh yeah, right. No, yeah, no. Space I was using for something else. So positive button B. Does this matter that there's the alt? I'm gonna just get rid of that. I don't know what this other stuff means. So yeah, let's call that good. All right. So okay, cool. Hey, look at that. Hey, look, I spent money. Look, I'm spending money. Spending. Whoop. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, didn't like it when I pressed the number 3. Was not enthusiastic about that. Do. Go. Activate. I'm double clicking on you. Activate. Activate, you dirty error. Go. Go to your location. Go to your home. Are you too good for your home? uh, Oh yeah, that was the other thing I was gonna do. Is yeah, what scripts are going on here? What's what's like the script? I guess like maybe that's silly. Maybe other people don't have like a script or like a go-to script, but Uh, that's okay, I guess. I don't know. Where's the? I'm just trying to think like. So like I basically want to put it so that spacebar sends you back to the other. Uh, so that like spacebar sends you back to the other scene. I'm just trying to think of like where should I put that? Maybe just here. Oops. So sorry, I don't mean to be too hacky, but basically just the same thing that we put over in control. Uh, do do do. Save that. So yes, now hypothetically, if we go back to, well, actually no, I guess hypothetically we can do it from either scene now. So now from either scene, hypothetically, if we hit space, yay! Look, it sends us to the other one. So yeah, so the thing I'm curious about is whether if we change between scenes, oh, it reloads it. Shoot. All right, so I don't think this is the right solution because I don't want to. I don't want to reload the scene every time we switch between them. Yeah, no, that's not what we should be doing. So all right, so we need a different solution. So I can actually undo, save that. Sorry for making faces. I literally have no clue what I'm doing right now. The position and all other parameters in player prefs, it's a... Yeah, it's not really... what I really need is just to save the scene state, because, like, I'm not gonna... Like, there are too freaking many parameters to just, like, write them all out, and, like, no. What I literally need is just save the whole scene state, but... yeah... Fatting the vendor... Yeah... I just like don't know like what I mean like I really want to switch between worlds, right? But like I just want to be able to switch between worlds and like come back to I just like literally with Unity you can't just keep two scenes loaded in memory at the same time, like really? I'm not the first person who wanted to do that. Like I don't know. All right, so now, yeah, that would have been the easy solution, but like now I actually have to like come up with a solution, I guess. Uh, Sorry for making faces. I'm not ignoring you, Jorisk. Oh, can someone update you on what's going on? Oh yeah, sure, okay. Let's look at the game. So we have this game where so Joris, your name in chat is the exact same color as Asato's, and so I was just looking at chat and it was all orange, all up and down, and so I just like all right. Wait, I'm in the wrong scripts. File open scene main.unity. Oh, I can get rid of the this thing. Save that, and then yeah. So what you can do so far in the game is you can go around. You can so there are these things that appear in the world. These things here, so you can teleport to them, and when you're at them, you can make them grow by using your computer, your handy dandy computer. And your computer follows you around. Like it doesn't follow you all over the place, but like whenever you go to, you can still increase the speed of time. And yeah, so whenever you go to one of these things, you can use your computer to like do whatever. And you computer does stuff, and you can go fast, and oh yeah, I somehow you can go backwards in time too, but somehow whoa, what's all this then? Oh, yeah. Right, right. Okay. Uh, right. So wait, this is supposed to actually be uh, the math F. Oh, not math F. Ugh, whatever. Math F minimum. That yeah, because this can't go above 5. This isn't supposed to go above 5. So this and 5. And I think we have to make this an int. Math F dot round to int, or floor to int, round to int, floor to int, round to int is fine. Round to int. Am I missing a parenthesis? Close parenthesis. Is that better? All right. Yeah. How did I break walking backwards? I made it. It used to be the case that if time was moving backwards, you'd walk towards where you clicked, but you would walk backwards towards where you clicked. Now it seems to be doing the opposite for some reason. What the heck? Oh, is that because we changed the input? Like we moved the input to the top of the script. I wonder if that messed something up. We changed where in the script we process input. And, so, sprite render? No, it's not a sprite. So, we're not randomizing the color anymore. Anyways, I'll probably just make it like yellow or something. I'll just be like generic yellow star, whatever. Yay, good yellow stars. Yay. Yeah, I want to put this down to like 4. Because it's still too big. But yeah, why is movement backwards? Why is movement backwards? Move delta. I don't know. Yeah, where's the part where we actually translate the transform position? No, where's the oh yeah, here we go. Move step. So move step is move step magnitude move step. So oh. No. Oh, move step. Yeah, right. Okay, so it's actually supposed to be absolute value. So mathf dot absolute value dot time speed. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yeah, because it was getting multiplied by a negative number. Right. So what's supposed to happen is you walk forwards if you walk forwards if you I'm gonna make it so you can teleport to the computer. You can teleport to these things, or you can teleport to the computer. Because like sometimes like if you're like a step too far away from the computer, it's like really awkward to like try and like nudge yourself. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that. And then right. So yeah. No. So if time is going backwards, you're supposed to walk still towards where you click, but you're supposed to walk backwards towards where you click. And oh yeah, that's the other thing we have to fix is that stars go in the wrong direction. When time goes backwards for some reason. Which is dumb and doesn't make sense, but whatever. It's dumb and doesn't make sense, and it's something that I have to deal with. So... The... Philistines! Oh, would it be better if I made like the same game like everyone's made like 5 million times again and again and again? Then would you have an idea and like was that better somehow? No, that's dumb and garbage and no one cares about that and it's ridiculous and I'm so disgusted with your implication that could perhaps be a quality that this game might be like. I'm going to blow my nose in disgust. I'll be Excuse me. Sorry for the delay. Uh, I assume because of stream delay, you haven't finished writing your apologies yet. But whenever you're ready to right. Anyways, yeah. So why the heck are the stars going in that stupid direction? All right. Yeah. Those silly stars. I think the last thing I did was to. Oh yeah, I swapped these things around and it didn't help. And then it's like. All right. So move offset is either target dot transform position minus transform position or computer transform position minus transform position. And yet it works fine for this case, but it does not work fine for this case. How? That doesn't make any sense. It's literally just two different points in space. Why does the one point in space not work the same as the other point in space? Are there different rules for different points in space? This is turbo dumb. This is just whatever. It is beneath me to have to fix this bug. Um, um, oh, what? No. This should be indented and is not. But that doesn't make a difference. Look. Uh. um. I, I mean, I could just put in a really, like, ridiculously bad and stupid fix. And I'm tempted to at this point, honestly. Fine. See how they like it. Oh! No, I figured it out. Yeah, I should be using negative. Right, because we're using time speed. And we have to use the absolute value of time speed in this case. Alright. I figured it out. That wasn't as bad as it seemed. It's just like, you know that feeling you get when, like, your tools fail you so many times in a row? Like, your tools exhibit such clear and obvious defects that, like, at a certain point you don't trust your tools anymore. Yes, there was an oversight here, but it became like so much more difficult to perceive. I don't know. Yeah. Whatever. But yeah, now everything's magically perfect and great forever. So that's the important part, right? Do do do. All right, so now you can work on your computer, and if you go backwards, then it goes the other way around. So it's like right here. Yeah. So you you. So if like you go in the other, if time flows in the other direction, you're actually stealing. You're actually like stealing juice from these things. Yeah. I think like the 15 seconds. Wait. Oh yeah, 15 seconds for the rumble screen. I think might be too much. I might drop that down to like a more reasonable number. And look, you can work on multiple things at the same time. Wait, hold on. There's like a point in space where I was actually working on both things. Yeah, look at that. Oh wait, no. Now I'm only working on that one. Whoops, whatever. Right. But yeah, so what um, sorry, I'm just catching up on chat real quick. What about the little people who are whoa. What the heck is up with these out of range exceptions that we keep getting? It's like, what's that? Oh yeah, so Ite. Wait, am I saying it? So I can like, I can like see my other computer. I just like can't see it well enough to like small character differences like I's and L's. I like can't. But hold on. If I can say your name correctly, then I can totally answer your question. Ite. Is it? Yeah, Ite. That is SideQuest. The game on the bottom of the screen is SideQuest. By the time I answer this question, someone in chat has probably explained to you that it's like, okay, yeah. Chat already got it, but whatever. Yeah, SideQuest. There's also if you scroll down the channel information, there's like a description of SideQuest, and if you click on it, it actually gives you a much longer description of SideQuest. So, yeah, that's the game I often work on, but it's not the game I'm working on right now. Yes. So, cool. I don't know which game you were talking about, Asado, but I'm glad you figured it out. Whether you just figured out what to do in SideQuest or in Duob, then either way, I'm glad to hear it. Yeah, what the heck? We already fixed this out of range error. Oh, 5 is too high. It's supposed to be 4. Yes, that is the. All right, so we fixed it, but then we didn't fix it. So, all right, let's test that we fixed it. Oh yeah, and I was gonna change the threshold for the. I was also gonna change the threshold for shake duration, because 15 seconds of shake is too much. Like, it should be closer to like 10 seconds of shake. But I'm going to use it for testing this, because once it gets up to 5, it can keep going now, and we don't get the out of range exception, so that's good. All right, and yeah, that shake duration is way too long, so I'm going to put it down to like 5 or something. So like you can kick it into turbo speed, but like it'll only stay that way for a little while. So yeah, so you can like kick it into fast forward, but it'll only stay like that for a little while, because like apparently like the universe is unstable in that way. So yeah, use your powers wisely. So yeah. All right, look, hey, look, we can work on both of these at the same time. Multitasking. All right, so multitasking. Sideception. Doop-a-doo. Doop-a-doo. All right, we did it. Yay, look, we did it. Oops, our first time. The little stars get frozen in space. So now if I put time in the other direction, so like, yeah, so the quote unquote strategy in this game is that like if you send time forwards, then you can grow stuff. If you send time backwards, you don't actually you don't necessarily lose what you did unless you go too close to like this stuff. Because if you go too close to the things, then like it'll actually like if you so yeah, so the gist is like when you're at your computer, you're working on that stuff. And so the little stars represent your productivity, right? So the little stars like fly out and you be productive. But if time is flowing backwards when you're at your computer, then you're working backwards, and so it actually like sucks productivity. So although reversing time is a powerful tool because it, you're not going to finish your project unless you are able to like, unless you're able to like cheat and like, and and mess with like the nature of time. Like when you're using that tool, you have to be careful because you could accidentally do harm. I might like we could even put like in a penalty for that, so that it's actually like an extreme occurrence. All right, so I guess we said that it's a week. Like the game takes place. Oops, time forward, time forward. We said the game takes place over the course of a week, right? So like I guess we should probably put like in a like end of game state, like because what happens when you get to the end of the week? Right. There should be like there should be like a state where if you get to the end of the week, everything just stops, right? Everything just like that's like it. So you can probably from the end of the week you can probably like rewind time, right? But you can't go forward from there. And I feel like that should probably be the case with the start of time too, right? Like you probably can't go further back than zero. Time equals zero, right? I don't know. That's just like that's just what I think of with it. So yeah. So the other thing I like is to add like virality. I don't know what to call it. I'd rather if you guys don't mind the plant analogy, I'd like to call it like verdance. Basically like so like yeah, what verdance would be is like over here there's like a cluster of like of stuff that we've built. I'd like it basically to like spread, not just to like grow vertically, but to like also spread outwards. So like I think that'll because like we describe this game as like a sandbox game, and like I think that'll help it feel like there's actually like something to do in the sandbox. Is that you can actually like shape and sculpt the you can actually like shape the yeah, like what you have going on in the space. And I don't know, I guess like we could like instead, so right now like there's just like these random things that pop up. Like we could actually like put in like a final like ultimate like state of things to do, or like I don't know how to describe it exactly, but like we could put like a like there could be a clear like victory condition sort of thing. Like we could make it so that like it's not just like these random things that pop up over the place. Like we could actually have like a finished thing, right? Like whether it's like a game world or whatever. Like I mean, I'm just using little spheres stacked on top of spheres because like I don't know. I was like, sure, that whatever. It's abstract and it represents growth. And but like what if instead of just little spheres stacked on little spheres, like what if these were like little towns or like buildings or something? Like we could have like little buildings turn into bigger buildings, or like even just buildings like stacked up and like growing into like, from something small into like a city sort of thing. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, that's the direction that they were going with, like that sort of thing, a little bit. And then the other thing, yeah, so there were other things that I wanted to add though. I mean, I could do the end of the week thing, right? Because that's like one very clear thing. Uh, uh, huh. I guess I wonder if I can make the days shorter, I guess. Yeah, I feel like the days should be shorter. Because the days are like the yeah. All right, hold on. So day length is 5 right now. Let's put it down to like 1.5 or something. Let's make it dramatically short. Because the day is basically the only indication of the passage of time that we have, except for the yeah. I think I'm gonna start defaulting the debug text to inactive because oh sorry, I heard like a weird noise and I was like, what the heck is that? It's just raining outside. um yeah, because I gotta start not relying on that. All right, so we have like wait a second. Did I shorten the day length? Yeah. So now wait, why does the day feel like longer? Is the day even changing? Yeah, I guess it is. Is it? Why why when I made day length 1.5 does it feel like the day is actually longer than before? Is it just my imagination? It feels literally longer. Hold on. What are we doing with day length? Do I have that accidentally like inverted or something? Uh, sun transform delta, world delta time. Oh, oh, whoops. Yeah, no, I do. I definitely have that inverted. Like bigger numbers are better. So I guess. Uh, yeah, I'll just whatever. Day length is a stupid value that works backwards, so I'll just make it like I don't know, like 20 instead. All right, whatever. Uh, oh yeah, thank you for staying up, Asato. If you, yeah, I mean, at some point in the future, we'll find out how all that stuff went. Thank you for the explanation and for the all that other stuff, and I'll take it from here, I guess. um, all right. Yeah, the stars are a little creepy red. They just look weird red. I'm gonna make them like I think just bright yellow or something. Um, so yeah, I can do that now, I guess. Yeah, you still have it open. So image adjust hue and saturation. Just put it to like yellow and like make it super saturated. Yay, happy yellow stars just are always good. Everyone loves yellow stars. They're super good. All right. So that'll probably be less creepy. Do. Let's go work over here. Yay, look, yellow stars. Okay. And sorry, I'm just catching up on chat. uh, um, sorry. Um, Flappy Caroline. Oh man, that'll be our fallback plan. If this game doesn't come together in the last hour of Signal Jam, we'll just make Flappy Caroline. Um, Actually, no. If this game doesn't come together in the last hour of Signal Jam, we're gonna make we're just gonna make Caroline the game, and it's just gonna be like just forget everything else. It's just gonna be the GIF of Caroline like walking around, and you can walk around with Caroline. Basically the same game. It's basically the same game. um, yeah. All right. Oh yeah. So the days are going really fast now. So that's kind of cool. Uh, uh, so, yeah. Um, I guess. I'm gonna like put this build online. I guess so that people can try it out. Just to, I don't know, see what inspires you. just poking at it, see what you come up with, and then I'll probably start. I'll try and like I'll try I will try to get that the market stuff working, because yikes is why. No. Sorry, I'm just gonna switch to Facecam for 1 second because I'm going to go on the internet and make things on the internet, do things on the internet. So, do do do. If we go back up here, delete these things. I guess I don't really have to delete them, but whatever. Go in here, rename this one to that, and then drag both of these things over here, add a new directory, 0003, and go in it, and then drag these things to it as well. And then, yeah, so now the new version is online. So if we go to like, what is it? It's binary.tv/dobe. Yeah, we haven't gotten the in-game economy up and running quite yet, but we do have all those other features that we looked at. So we have the fast day-night cycle, we have the speed running, we have the time travel, we have the building of, whoops, that's going backwards. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, the way it works now is like you're the only way you can undo what you've done is by accidentally like going the wrong way through time. If you I feel like we have to add in something to do when time's going backwards. Like, I feel like there should be a goal, because like otherwise, when time's going backwards, like, what are you doing? Like, what is the point of, like, what are you doing with your life, right? And I don't know what that is though. So probably something to think about, I guess. Oops. Because like, yeah, because like basically the way we're setting up, or the way this game plays right now is that you there's a benefit to having time go forwards, and so far the only benefit to having time goes backward, the only benefit of time going backwards is that you get like an opportunity to like redo things that you might have missed. Why is this one not growing? I feel like this one should grow. Oh, maybe it just had too much deprecation saved up. Oh, so I might want to. I want these stars to be like a scalar instead of a. Right now they're like additive, but if I made them like a scalar instead, then they could like chip away. Like some of these things will get like serious like deprecation debt, and so yeah, I might want to do it like multiplicatively. I feel like the whole game could be like, I don't know, the game field feels really big right now. Maybe just because there's not much in it. It might be too big though. Might be that we don't need it to be as big. But yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I shouldn't be thinking about these things quite yet because there's so many other things that I should be thinking about first. So. Right. So yeah, right. I said I was gonna. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by it, which I think is a good thing. Like I think like if you can get distracted by a project that you're working on, like that's not necessarily something that you should be too worried about because it could bode well into. Why does Unity take forever to close its tabs now? Like, I don't know. All right, but whatever. Let's I can just close the whole browser. Can I? Is it not responding now? I don't know. I have no clue what's happening. Browser, what happened to you? Oh, there it goes. All right. Well, whatever. Oh yeah. We can build WebGL later. the Unity plugin. We're just doing that because it builds fast and it runs fast. So, hey, Microapple, how's it going? Welcome. Um, all right, so this freaking I don't want to. There's so much game state to freaking save if we're gonna save and like reload. Like I just don't want to do that. I mean, I guess the only thing that we really have to save is like the state of the game objects, because that's like the progress that you're making. Like as long as the time of day and the state of the game objects is saved, like pretty much everything else can go back to normal when you restart the thing. So how do you save that though? How do you like retain game state? Uh, uh, oh, I guess you can just do it in the script. Wait, no, but the script restarts. Oh no, the script restarts because Caroline restarts. But no, the script's just gonna restart. Yeah, because like, how do you? No, this doesn't make sense. All right. Unity. What the? No, don't go incognito, you jerk. Just do normal things, like a not stupid thing. What? Stop going incognito, you jerk. I'm trying to type in this freaking text box, and you're just you freaking jerk. You terrible, terrible wretch. Like, ugh. Seriously, like, technology is just not enthusiastic today. Uh, it's like, hey, how about instead of like doing things that are like normal and make sense, I'll just do like horrible things that are like obnoxious and all right. Um, I'm a bit salty today. I am aware of that. What was it? So Unity like retaining data, loading scenes. I don't know. Retain game object data when switching scenes. You call object don't destroy on load. Really? Don't destroy on load. Really? This will cause there to be 2 copies of the items in question when you return to the scene. Interesting. I don't get it. I feel like that should be something I should just be able to do to the scene. Just like flag the whole scene as like uh 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 sorry, just getting distracted by chat. Um um how to keep data between scenes. Oh, no. Yeah, you can tell game objects not to be deleted when a new scene loads by using don't destroy unload. So you have a master manager game object that controls everything and keep it from being deleted. Generally in Unity, everything is done as game objects, which allows you to create a sort of object-oriented structure for your game. Oh. Oh. Bleh. Sorry, it just occurred to me how I could do that then, but like, I don't like it. Um, no, Unity just seriously needs to have a way that you can like keep multiple scenes loaded at the same time. Is what has to happen. Sorry, I'm just like looking for. Don't destroy unload is like not a good solution. Because, like, if we reload the same scene, then... No. It's just not a good solution. I don't want to do this. I could just, no, I really just don't. I don't, well, for one thing, oh man. Like, I don't want to add this to the game, for one thing. And so I definitely don't want to, like, ruin the game. Not to say that adding this would ruin the game, but I don't want to, like, slaughter the game by, like, cramming this in where it doesn't fit. And yet, like, it would be so, like, really obvious to just be able to load between the two scenes. And yet Unity is like, nah. And you're just like, nah. Sorry. Game object.find. Maybe we can just do like a Highlander thing where like where we switch, so we'll set like Caroline and all of the game objects, or in all the yeah, Caroline and all of the game objects, like the game objects or whatever. Hi Zero Maverick. We'll set them as oh wait, Caroline spawns the game objects, doesn't she? Because she's like controls that. I think so. Oh, but if I retain Caroline between scenes, I'll need a way to like neutralize her, which I guess is doable. Yeah. All right. So yeah, no, maybe we can do this. What else do we need to? So we need to retain the computer. We need to retain Caroline and the game objects. So bucket, I guess. Sure. All right, maybe this is doable. It's crazy, but it might be doable. All right, so we're just gonna have like a state variable, like int game mode equals 0. And so everything we've done so far is if game, actually I guess we can just say like switch game mode, not game clicked, game mode, and yeah, and this whole, everything we've written so far is case case 0. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. So we have to break at the end of it. So, yeah. Let's just take all this business, and put it in here. And then we should probably indent that a bit. Stop scrolling down, you jerk. Why is it indented so far? I feel like it shouldn't be indented that far. Not undented a little bit. Just cause. Yeah, why is it indented so far? That's creeping me out, actually. Oh, did I not? Oh, I didn't close the, I didn't close this one. Yeah. No, don't indent that, you jerk. You screwy jerk. There we go. That's the correct indentation, Visual Studio. And if you're trying to tell me otherwise, you're a jerk. Okay. So, right. So now, if input dot get key down, yeah. What was it? It was like key. Was it like key code? Key code dot space. Yeah. In this case, we'll say game mode equals 1. And what was the thing about like loading? What was the command to like load between someone said it in chat. I think Asado said it in chat, but I don't remember where it was. So I'll just look it up again. Hey, yeah, I say, welcome back. So, what were we gonna do? Yeah, so like, right, so Unity, load scene, application, load level, yeah, I think that was it. Yeah, so, application dot load, load level, what was it? What was the name of our other level? It's like economy something. Economy scene. Economy scene. Yeah. Oh yeah, and so we have to tell Caroline not to die. So on start, this dot game objects. Yeah, wait, what was the command to like do not object, like object don't destroy on load. So this so object don't or wait, can we do it like don't destroy on load like that or no? Okay. So object dot don't destroy on load this game object, and then incidentally, actually I'll do this other one first. So if wait, yeah, how does find object work? What was it? Object game object dot find. So if game object or so yeah, so like yeah, so if game object dot find Carolyn yeah, wait, how does this command work? Basically, we're gonna look to see if we're not the original Carolyn, because if Carolyn already exists, then we can destroy ourselves, I guess. I don't know if I don't know what's gonna I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so find a game object by name and returns it. No game object. What happens if multiple game objects have the same name? Maybe we should change our name. Can we do that? Unity scripts C# change object name. Object name. name of the object. Okay, seems fine. All right, so we're gonna change the name of Caroline to pre-Caroline or something. I don't know, just something to indicate that we're not Caroline yet. And on start, we're going to check to see if Caroline exists. If Caroline exists, then we'll destroy ourselves. Otherwise, so if GameObject find Caroline, okay, so what's the success case? Not equal null, I guess. Or, public static GameObject. So if no GameObject, null is returned. All right, so if this equals null, then we become Caroline. Then this dot name equals Caroline. Else destroy I can spell this dot game object. Yeah. All right. I don't know. So this should what should this do? How can I tell if this works? Oh, cause she keeps track of the games. Yeah. All right. So if the games persist, then or no, I guess they'll just get destroyed. So maybe I should flag those as do not destroy as well. And then I guess it should be, I don't know. Probably things will probably go really weird if I wonder, what if I parented the what if instead of putting things in the bucket, what if I put things in, oh no, because then they'd translate when she translated. Right. So yeah, no, I'll just say I guess I'll just say like don't destroy. Oh wait, but wait, maybe I should just say don't destroy bucket. Computer, I think is actually fine if computer gets reloaded, because like computer doesn't actually like save any data. So a computer can just like, it doesn't matter if it's the original computer or if it's a new computer. So yeah, let's say object don't destroy unload games index I guess. Yeah. And then yeah, so then I just need like a case case 1 case 1, and case 1 is basically just gonna be the opposite, which is like why are you not indenting? Or wait, is it you that's not indenting? Or I don't know. Something here is like indenting weird or something. No, I think that's indented correctly. Yeah, and this is supposed to be indented. I don't know, whatever. Alright, so basically, yeah, so we're just gonna say main, right? Alright, let's see what this does. Alright, so we load the other scene. There are 2 audio listeners in this scene. That's fine. Oh, because Caroline's not? Oh, no, because the camera's an audio listener. Yeah. That's fine. I wish I would just shut up about that, because I really don't care about that. What? Alright, so it's saying something's destroyed, and I'm still trying to access it. Why would it have been destroyed? Oh, maybe because bucket was destroyed. So maybe I should set bucket as not a thing to destroy. That'd be my guess anyways. Because I did set the other things as do not destroy. So public game object bucket. Actually, no. I can just say I can just reference it directly from the transform. I can just say bucket.gameObject.don'tDestroy. Bucket.gameObject. We'll also get the object don't destroy on load treatment. And hopefully that works. So I'm just going to get rid of the audio listener from the other scene. Open scene, scenes, economy scene, save. So presumably wherever the camera is located. Where is the main camera? Let's get rid of this audio listener. Doop-a-doop. Alright, save that. File, open scene. Let's go for back to main.unity and let's see how this goes now. Alright, so there's that thing there. So it should still be there when we get back, hypothetically. Doop-a-doop. Alright, still not enthusiastic about stuff. Variable, what is it saying? A variable, the variable computer. Oh, yeah. So, right, yeah, when we don't need to keep the computer around necessarily, but if we don't, we should yeah. Alright, we'll just say, yeah, if we don't keep it around, we should just say, after we load the level, we should say, computer equals game object dot find computer. I guess. Are there other references that we'll lose? I think that might be the only other reference that we have to the scene. Yeah. I think I'm going to get rid of the, I think I am referencing the debug text, and I think I'm just going to get rid of it at this point. I only put it in there so that, like, the builds would, like, oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right, Jorisk. That sentence ends in a comma. Why does that sentence end in a comma? Yeah, I made a change. No, why does that end in a comma? I don't know. I'll have to come back to that later. Why does trusty bard end outros in a comma? That text is put together. It's assembled procedurally, you know, to indicate like what were the action tags and what were the outcomes. So I must have just like I changed that relatively recently, and so I might have just introduced like a, you know, some sort of error in doing so. All right, so. Okay, so we're finding the computer again, and yeah, I just got rid of the that debug text, so let's get rid of that in the script too. Oops, don't put a semicolon there. Semicolon there. Find debug. Yeah, just get rid of these. Get rid of these. Are those the only references? Yeah, there we go. Alright, save that. Alright, let's see how this goes over. Alright, so we're over here. Oh, hey, look, it stayed with us. I might want to hide them or something. Just does not like this hot swap. Computer? What? We found it again. Stupid. Whatever, I'll just make it so that the computer doesn't get destroyed either. I guess. Oh, but then I'll have to, yeah, I'll have to make sure, so I'll need to do the pre-computer thing too. Pre-computer. Oh, bucket. Right, no. Oh. What? No, bucket doesn't matter. If you get multiple buckets from switching back and forth between scenes, I don't know if I really care. So I'm not gonna, I mean, if that's a problem, then I can, oh, wait. No, this is fine. Yeah, so wait, I named pre-computer computer, and I'm actually gonna do this from Carolyn script, because I don't care. Because yeah, actually no, I can do both of these things here. I can just say, so this name equals Caroline, and computer dot name equals computer. Yeah. So then destroy this dot game object, and then destroy game object dot find pre-computer. Oh wait, I should destroy the pre-computer before I destroy this game object. Otherwise, it'll be harder to finish destroying the other one. Yeah. All right, let's see what that does. Oh yeah, I'm still not hiding those things when I switch scenes, but that should be fine. Stop your stupid face. Stop your it's saying the same thing. It's saying the same stupid thing. You're so stupid, you stupid script. Sorry. But like at this point, literally, it should just shut up is what should happen. The variable computer of control has not been assigned. You probably need to assign the computer variable of the control script in the inspector, or else you have to shut up is what I think might actually have to happen. I even tried setting it manually. You know what, I honestly don't even care. I'm just gonna say computer equals game object dot find computer. It's like, you know what? It's like, really? You want to give me attitude? Well, here's a whole bunch of stupid processing that you have to do every frame now because you had attitude. Deal with it. Alright, well, it's giving me a different error this time. What? Object reference not set to instance of an object? You're not even trying. The script is the worst. Is it not talking about computer? Is it talking about this game object? Is it because I'm just destroying the game objects? Am I supposed to say destroy this? Or whoops, no, not that. Am I supposed to say destroy this? Is it the dummy version of the script that's running? Is it like this version of the script on the object that was supposed to be destroyed? I feel like that shouldn't happen. No. I have no clue. What's happening now? Oh yes, no, clearly that doesn't work anymore, because now it's giving me the two audio listeners, because I guess there are apparently two Carolines. Alright, so apparently it was supposed to be destroy this .game object, I guess. Alright, so go over here. So Caroline's here, Bucket is here, computer, why isn't computer here? Oh, did I not set computer as do not destroy? Oh, maybe that was, maybe that was what that was about. Computer, yeah. Yep. All right. And then, oh, so I probably don't have to do the find.gameObject every frame. Probably. Uh, save that. Does that make things better, though? Worse? Better? Worse? Alright, so computer, Caroline, the gang's all here. That thing's here, too, for some reason. Nope. Nope, doesn't like that. That's not any better. Alright, I'm gonna not just stop immediately. Caroline. Oh, wow, look at all this stuff that is getting nuked. That's so dumb. These things are prefabs. These aren't even in the scene. It makes 0 sense that changing scenes would unload them. It doesn't even say that there's none. It just says that they're missing. So dumb. So dumb. This script doesn't crash or do anything untoward. Does it work though, actually? This one continues to work even if you switch back and forth between scenes. Apparently, Asado is just a much better architect than I am. Oops. Except that he doesn't handle out of exception errors. Out of range exceptions. Alright, fine. We'll just reset, like, everything. We'll just reset everything. Alright, well, it'll be the other dimensions, Caroline, that does it. Hey, that's the new follower, nice. 101 Ninja 101, welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for following. I think you're like the 997th follower, or thereabouts. We're getting really close to 1,000, which is the only reason I'm cognizant of that. Yeah, so Caroline's gonna have a public, void, I'm feeling a bit dramatic, so I'm gonna call it read ether, and it's going to have game object computer. It's going to have game object. What were all those ones that were missing? Like, at this point I don't even care why they're missing anymore. I'm just gonna like, you can pause. You don't have to be freaking out. I don't even care why they're missing. I'm just gonna, so computer arrows, what is it? We start time arrows. Game object time arrows. Game object, what is that one underneath time arrows? Sun game object. So that when that other Caroline, when like the clone Caroline realizes that she's a clone and deletes herself. Oh yeah, I should be naming these different things. Otherwise, the names will conflict. The last act before the imposter Caroline destroys herself will be to relay this information to the new Caroline, to the old Caroline. So star. Oh yeah. So game object star prefab. Alright, and all this does is say computer equals computer. Oops, computer. Time arrows equals time arrows. Sun equals sun and star prefab equals star prefab. Yep. And then so before Caroline commits suicide, she will say game object find Caroline dot get component control and oh, what's the XP? What's the XP thingy? Are you talking about the game on the bottom of the screen? That's the most common question. Also, sorry for not answering chat sooner. All right, game object dot find Caroline get component control dot read ether, and we will pass in computer time arrows, sun, and star prefab. How's that sound? Yeah? Is that gonna work? How's that? Better? Better, worse? Worse, better, worse? Yeah, so the game at the bottom of the screen is called SideQuest. It is, I describe it as, don't just unpause, freaking restart. SideQuest is like, I call it a tabletop MMO. It's like an adventure game that plays in the live stream and is what? All right, hold on. Why are? All right, there's a lot wrong here. Oh my gosh, are all the frames gonna be okay? I was like, are all the frames gone? No, it's probably just because of whatever stupid error. So is why the rest of the script is not evaluating. Destroyed, but still trying to. Shut up! Like literally, just shut up, you stupid script. You're the worst thing, and you're stupid, and no one likes you, and you're stupid. Like seriously, like where does the script get off? Like, did I finish explaining SideQuest? There's like a description of it in the channel info if you're curious to find out more about it. That's yeah, but that's like one of my other projects. This script just has no right to be so freaking stupid. Like it honestly just does not have any right. It's just inappropriate how stupid it is. Oh, wait a second. Wait, I'm kind of splitting my strategies here. Yeah, right. So wait, I should instead of doing the pre-computer thing, I should just go with the ether. Yeah. All right, so tech with computer, no one cares about it. It's a jerk, and it'll just get murdered, and it'll come back to life. So we don't have to call it pre-computer anymore. We can just call it regular computer. Okay. How about now? Hey, look at that. Is the game working? Hey, alright. It was too good to be true. Variable Caroline of stars does... Sorry. That just amuses me. Oh yeah, okay, so Caroline has a concept of the stars prefab, so I guess that can be part of reading ether. So we can just say, oh wait, but the, oh yeah, okay, so, oh, star prefab, right, okay, so star prefab equals star prefab, and then star prefab dot get component stars dot or open close parentheses dot Carolyn Caroline, yeah, equals this dot game object. Yeah. How's that? Alright, so switch between them, and what is it complaining about now? It's always something. Oh, right. It's not just the computer, it's also the computer billboard. Really? How come I didn't notice that earlier? Because I guess I'm just not very observant. Alright, that's just another thing to pass through the ether. So computer game object comp billboard what's this complaining about? I didn't change anything up there. Oh, I changed the number of arguments, yeah. Alright, so comp billboard equals comp billboard. And so yeah, so now we pass through also comp billboard, yeah. Alright. And let's see what other stupid things are going to shake out. Actually, I guess I can do a quick sweep. Is there any... No, computer... Oh, computer doesn't even have a script. Yeah, right. So, star prefab... Star prefab has the context of the computer, so we should let the star prefab know about the computer. So star prefab stars computer equals computer. All right. Alright, so does time still work? Time seems to still work. Alright. This might be better now. This could now work. Alright, so now there are two modes to the game, apparently. Doop-a-doop. Oh yeah, so one thing I was gonna do... Oh, wait a second. Where'd the game objects go? What? They're gone! Is that just because I had time running in the wrong direction? Wait, hold on, let me try that again. Alright, let's run time in the correct direction. And grow some stuff. And then switch scenes, then switch back. Alright, no, it's still here. Yeah, maybe it's just because I had time running in the wrong direction. Doop-a-doop. Are those things in this scene, though? Yeah, they're... Oh, Caroline's in this scene, too. So I guess one thing I should do is probably to hide those game objects when we switch scenes. And, yeah. Yeah. I mean, otherwise we could just, like, move things, like, very far away. Oh, and I guess... Oh, because I'm not keeping the computer, I should probably, like, position the computer when we do that, too. Alright, well, that's cool. So there's that. Oh, we can't use the name Starbucks. So we'll need to change that. Alright, so let's go to that scene real quick. Oops, not open projects. Open scene. I've never gotten that one before, Agent Pimo. My face is, well, I'll leave it open to interpretation. If you want to believe it's animation, then I'm not going to confirm or deny, whichever you like more. Um, I was a little bit. I did have a little bit of a flat affect for a little while there. I was like just